Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a vehicle in GTA 5. First, ensure you have a new vehicle ready to use. You can find one on the street, purchase it online, or retrieve it from a garage. This process is straightforward and helps you manage your personal collection effectively. We'll cover the simplest ways to swap out your ride and keep your favorite cars accessible. To replace a vehicle already in your garage, simply drive your current car into any of your own garages. Once inside, you'll see a menu of your stored vehicles. Choose the one you wish to use and it will appear outside. Your previous vehicle will then be automatically stored, ready for your next drive. If you find a cool car on the street and want to make it your active vehicle, just get in. Your personal vehicle, if you had one out, will either be returned to your garage or, if abandoned, might end up at the impound lot. Remember to retrieve it from the impound for a small fee if you want it back quickly. For a convenient replacement, simply pull out your in-game phone and call the mechanic. They will present you with a list of all your own vehicles. Select the one you want, and the mechanic will deliver it directly to your current location, making vehicle swaps incredibly easy and efficient, especially when you're far from a garage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.